Ready? Here we go again.
Martin, we have something gift to you from a lady by the name of Rita Bennett. And she lives in Export. Are you able to get that box open?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's
Can I help? Can I help you get the box open? And we'll see. Here, pull this way. Oh my. That's one industrial. Oh, what's in there? What is that?
Oh my, Mart, you got a present. There's a card.
There's a card from Marty and a card from Marty's mom.
Aww.
Oh my goodness! Merry Christmas pie! Woohoo!
Woohoo, Mart.
How awesome! You have 2 brand new ties!
Wow.
Awesome!
Look how
What do you
cool.
say to Rita Bennett?
Thank you, and thank you for the card.
Can I tie these for you? What is it for to tie it? Oh my. Brian's not good at tying ties either. How did I do this yesterday?
Undo?
I'm doing this quite right. Hang on. Actually, I think I'm doing
What
it
is-
slightly backwards.
You want it?
Do I?
Yeah.
Somebody's singing.
I want it.
Look who's coming to sing.
Oh my.
You guys got it?
That's a big puppy.
Walk down, Buddy, to come up.
Yeah, it just.
Hey, put my camera down.
Well, I didn't tie that right. He just got presents from a lady that we don't know, and his sister was videoing for her.
Oh, that, it's fine. No, no.
Okay, Marty.
Oh, God, this is Bodie.
Isn't he pretty? Isn't he pretty, more? Let me get this. Aww. Aww. Look, Marty, his bandana has his name on it.
Marty, would you like a picture of you and Bodie together? I have a Polaroid. Bodie stays.
He's a big boy.
Girl.
Oh, I'm sorry. She's a big girl.
Hey, Marty. Let me get a picture of you.
What's her name?
Bodie.
Bodie.
Bodie, what's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to sign it and you can have it.
The big one.
Don't you want to know who it's from?
Nope. It's from, wait, I'm getting scissors. It's from Chad
Stapler.
and Mrs. Stigler.
Watch your fingers, Kyle.
From Chad and Mrs.
What do you think it is?
Wait, let me take the tape cut. Move your finger. Cut right through the tape so you can get in there and see what's in there. Okay.
That's good, right there.
Is it good? What's in there?
Lungs over here.
Somebody's thinking about you. Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Go Steelers?
Bonnie! Bonnie, what?
Oh my goodness.
Yay!
Body wash and batteries. What else did you get?
I get this stuff
Oh, Marty. Whoa! Holy smokes! Are you even looking to see what's in there?
Yeah.
Sure. This says it's to be worn with caution. Whoa.
Oh man, Mart.
It says you keep away from these pretty nurses when you put this on. You're supposed to keep away from the nurses when you wear that.
You know what that is?
I'm so excited.
He loves opening presents.
Yes, he does.
Go, Sammy!
Oh my goodness. buddies. Santa buddies.
Wow, bud. Oh, I was wondering what he was looking for.
What the fact there's a part of it in there.
I'm not paying attention. I have Marty's sign in my shop.
I open it.
Oh, I'm not allowed to open a card either. It does have my name on it, you know.
Here, let's move this cute little sign for a minute.
Don't hurt the card. May I read it?
I know.
Aww. 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 The gift receipt.
No. Aww.
Can I read it?
A lot of them said.
It says, Marty, Chris, Miranda, and family, we hope this
One
finds you having a great
One
day.
more.
You're in our thoughts and prayers daily. Marty, we hope that you're able to use some of the things we've bought you in our care package. We hope they make you
There's
comfy.
something in here.
We hope
Turn
they
it
make you
around.
comfy and cozy and put a smile on your face. It's only fair
Yahtzee!
because you always have put a smile on our faces. You're such a special little meal.
That was 6 pages. We got 5.5 done during the video.